Hey, what is up? Good afternoon. Welcome back to A Christian Woman's Journey. I am out in my yard searching for a free lunch. Check this out here. We're getting a gorgeous zucchini, but what I'm going for here is that beautiful squash flower. And because we're growing so much squash, we have them all over the yard. Okay, so if you've never had a squash flower lunch, we're going to show you how to do that today. My husband's Italian. This is a very Italian thing. We're going to show you how to make fried squash flowers. That is a beauty. This is the watermelon and the kajari bed. It is doing great. We got a rogue tomato plant there. Looks like little purple bumblebees. Cannot wait for this bed to just explode. Cool, cool, cool. That is gonna be, oh, we got an eggplant there too. Our very first butternut squash. Wow. Got a little guy here. That looks like it. Now let me see if I can reach it. Oh, that's got a squash on it. We're gonna leave that one. Okay, so we're doing this close to lunch. You can see these are closed. A more efficient way to do this, go out in the morning. These flowers are gorgeous. They'll be open and you can pick them then and make sure that the bugs are already out. We got a bee in this one. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Your friend just came out. Bye. You can just separate out the bottom like that and we'll check the inside, make sure there are no bugs. Getting the flowers opened and washed, and we'll let them air dry a little bit. So we got some egg. We're gonna eyeball this, a little bit of milk in our batter. Get that all mixed in. And we're kind of eyeballing this. We're getting some flour going in there. We're gonna make our batter. Getting another egg in there. So we're just getting this really well mixed into a smooth batter. Okay, so 2 eggs, a little bit of milk, some flour, good mixing, and you're at about the right consistency. So we're gonna be frying these up in a little butter and some extra virgin olive oil. So you're gonna brown one side and then you're gonna flip them and brown the other. Okay, so after a couple minutes we're flipping these guys. So we've got a beautiful fried zucchini flower lunch. These are ready for salt, pepper, and maybe a little Parm cheese.